Well, we're getting into this afternoon with a lot of blue skies helping us along the way as we get into that lunchtime hour. Temperature-wise, again, most of us right around 80 degrees, which is a stark contrast from where we were this time yesterday. Again, looking at about 10 degrees cooler than this time yesterday. As we go forward, not really warming up a whole lot more. We're pretty much about as hot as we're going to get, and that's saying something as we get into that lunchtime hour. Overnight, though, tonight, look at that, falling all the way back into those middle 50s. Almost a little bit of a fall-like feel to things as we get into this, not only this afternoon, tonight, into tomorrow. We're going to be doing it all over again. A good reminder, the official start of fall still 2 weeks away, and it's actually going to start to look like fall, maybe a little bit after that as well. Peak foliage here around mid-Missouri, normally the last week of October, so that's kind of what we're aiming for in terms of some of that. But we're also losing a lot of that sunlight, too, here as we go forward. Over the next week, or next 4 weeks for that matter, sunset starts to scoot up a little bit more. 6:43 here, officially a month away from right now. So starting to kind of lose the sunlight, lose some of that heat across mid-Missouri. Again, this northwest flow that we're locked in right now is certainly helping matters, but unfortunately, that big ridge out to the west is actually going to flatten out and spread off toward the east as we go into this weekend. So we're going to be getting a little bit warmer sooner rather than later as we go forward, and even beyond this weekend. That 6 to 10 day temperature outlook looking pretty close to where that ridge awfully looks like it's going to be setting up, getting into Friday, Saturday, into Sunday, and then going forward. Again, average this time of year is back toward the low to mid 80s. So looks like we're doing numbers higher than that going forward, and probably going to keep that as we get toward the middle of next week. So I want to get used to that 90-degree weather again around mid-Missouri.